Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy. I'm here to take you through today's trades. Now in today's video it's going to be a bit different from last week's video. Last week was a longer term trading video. This week we're going to be discussing about short term trades taken through the analysis and also through the trading system that we have here at Platinum. So first things first, in order to show you these trades, I'm going to show you the analysis that's provided every single day to our clients. Now, the analysis is provided on our trading floor, as you can see just here. The trading floor will provide you with technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading opportunities on a daily basis. On this particular trading floor, as we can see, we give you daily chart analysis, you get intraday trading levels, you'll get fundamental views. This will be everything to cover in the markets to ensure that you are placing trades in the correct areas every single day. Now let me take you to the actual trades themselves. So these are the trades that triggered in. As you can see, we've got buy and sell zones here spread across all the chart. Okay. Now certain zones are labelled. Okay. You can see these zones are labelled with the label major cap. Now these are the zones that we have labelled for our clients to be significant zones to trade for that day, for that currency pair. In addition to these zones, we also have another trading strategy which is called our third zone trading strategy, and that's one which I've mentioned in previous videos in the past on our trading website and also our trading YouTube channel. So if we come to the first trade that triggered in, which was on the euro, this was on Tuesday, so you can see major cap. So this buy zone was the one that was labelled here. So we can see in the end the zone has reversed very nicely indeed, well in excess of 20-25 pips, which is normally the number of pips that we go for on these short term trades, is around 25 pips or so. So that's trade number one, that's a 25 pip profit. Trade number two was a third zone trading strategy. Now the third zone trading strategy triggered in just yesterday evening. You can see came into play. This is on the pound versus the US dollar. We can see in the end reversing well in excess of 25-30 pips, and that's a really easy trade to have taken. If you wanted to, you could have just placed an order for that trade and it would have triggered in and you would have made your profit very nicely indeed. And last but not least, we had a NZD, again major cap trade. This trade hitting the buy zone just in here. Again, as you can see, getting reversal well in excess of 20 pips. So you can see just three trades there, two with our major cap strategy, one with our third zone strategy. You're talking a minimum of 60 up to around 75-80 pips. So it's a fantastic number of pips to make just in a short number of trades, and ones that wouldn't have been in for very long either, for a short duration, no less than 24 hours. You know, if you're trading that at £5 or £10 a point, that's going to be a significant amount of cash to be bringing in a week, just bringing in that number of pips profit. So in order for you to have access to this system and analysis that we provide, we're giving everyone the chance to see it on a free consultation call. So that's on our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. You click on the top right hand corner, free consultation. Once you do that, you leave your details in here, name, email, phone number, claim your session with a preferred time and date for us to give you a call, and we'll sort of brief you on the consultation, get all that booked in and take you through exactly what you need to know. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, please leave your details. Again, thank you very much for watching the video, we really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and we look forward to hearing from you next week. Thank you.